Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test, that is Research Eligibility Test 2021 from one of the central university. Here the total 140 vacant seats are there nearly, and eligibility is PG. And the candidates who qualified the UGC NET or the CSIR NET, those candidates are exempted from the written test and they can directly attend the interview, guys. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Tripura University. I think all of you may know this one. So the notification came on 24th of Feb 2021. So online applications are invited from Indian and international candidates for admission to the PhD program through Research Eligibility Test 2020 under different departments in Faculty of Science and Arts and Commerce of Tripura University. So let us check the departments here. In the Faculty of Science, Botany, Chemical and Polymer Engineering, Chemistry, Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Forestry and Biodiversity, Geography and Disaster Management, Human Physiology, Information Technology, Library and Information Science, Material Science and Engineering, Mathematics, Microbiology, Molecular Biology and Bioinformatics, Physics, Statistics, Zoology. And here the number of vacancies are also mentioned here, so you may check down. And coming to the Faculty of Arts and Commerce, Bengali, Business Management, Commerce, Economics, Education, History, Law, Linguistics and Tribal Languages, Philosophy and Political Science, Physical Education, Psychology, Rural Studies, Sanskrit, Sociology, Tribal Studies and Ethnics, English and Music. Fine. So approximately all these vacancies are nearly 140. And coming to the eligibility criteria, the candidates holding the master's degree with 55% of marks and 50% of marks for the SC, ST and PWD candidates in the concerned subjects, okay, are eligible to apply for the PhD program. And the candidates who qualified the UGC or CSI or JRF or NET or SET or SLET or GATE or teacher fellowship holders or have passed the MPhil examination or have worked in Tripura University in the capacity of a regular faculty for more than 1 year are not required to appear in the written test of the RET exam. They can directly go for the Viva Voice or else interview for admission. Okay? And application form fill up is through online mode only. No offline application shall be entertained. And coming to the displaying of list of eligible candidates that will be displayed in the Tripura University website itself, and the admit card also will be released in the website. The date of examination will be announced later, and the examination pattern of RET is given here. Total 200 marks, and it's split up into the two segments, okay, written test as well as the Viva. And candidates qualified in the written test or those exempted from appearing in the written test shall face the Viva Voice examination in the concerned department. So written test and Viva Voice will be of 100 marks each, okay, and based upon the postgraduate syllabus of the concerned subjects, the written test will be there, and the qualifying marks in the written test is 50%. Fine. The subject wise merit list will be prepared. And the question pattern for written test is out of the 100 marks in the written test, 50 short questions of 2 marks each for the written entrance of RET. And qualifying an RET does not entitle to get the admission into the PhD program. Okay, it depends upon your performance in the interview. And few general instructions are given here. So you have to fill up online application only. The starting date is 26 Feb and the closing date is 26 March 2021. So the candidates who are watching this notification now, so today is the last day to apply. Okay, so and few more instructions are provided here. So coming to the application fee for UR, EWS and OBC 800 rupees, and for SC, ST and PWD 600 rupees. It is application fee, guys. Okay, so you just go through the remaining all the details, and I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. Fine. So share this information or video to your friends or colleagues who belong to this department. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC candidates who are preparing for the UGC exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide